hospital. Oh, you don't want to do your job, so send me to the hospital? Yeah, but you don't have any of my records here, so how the fuck am I going to get help there? These people are scum. There's nothing I can do about it. I literally can barely talk. This is all I've got. My voice is gone if I don't yell, and then all they do is talk shit to me because they're so insecure they can't understand to listen to the words. Do I have to treat them like babies? Hey, sweetie pie, honey bunch. Can you handle your job, honey bunch, sweetie pie? Oh, should I put some powder and burp you? Let me put you in your nappy because you can't handle your job. You want to fucking go after me? I have collapsed lungs and I'm in pain. How many times do I have to tell you I can't handle it? And you can't handle it? Fucking whiny little fucking pansy ass, weak ass bitches. I'm tired of this shit. All they do every fucking day is insult me. Every fucking day. And then they act like I'm doing something wrong because of the level of my voice. This is all I've got. It's a fucking symptom, stupid. But they haven't been writing anything down. They're sitting around gossiping with each other. And then when I ask for help and I'm fucking sounding like this, I get to be treated like shit. Because obviously I deserve to die painfully. I deserve to die painfully because I am not a Mexican. Because I am not a Norteño. Because I am not some moron from Salinas. I'm so sorry that I don't commit crimes. I know it would be better. I know you respect people who are on the street, right? Just like Zoe and Martine used to be fucking Christians, but now I didn't know they roll with the fucking Nortes. Oh, obviously I know they roll with the Nortes because Abel, and then we got the person who drives, Gloria. She hasn't been wearing red. She got the memo. Good job, Gloria. Try not to fucking glorify fucking gang violence when people are threatening me with their gangs. Yeah, and maybe that's part of why I don't feel safe. Every time I ask a question, they argue with me. And if I tell them to stop doing something because it's causing me physical harm, they're so weak, I can't do it. And then I'm stressing out because no one will fucking do things without fucking arguing. Why are you arguing? I can't have a conversation with myself. I can't talk about it. If you're not going to treat my pain and you're going to ignore me for years, you're going to get what you get. I can't breathe. You're going to get what you get, and you're getting a dying woman, and I don't like you. I'm not going to like you if you're letting me die. And I'm not going to listen to dumbasses who want to give me advice when they don't listen to me. I have been telling them everything the whole time, and now I'm losing my chance to be able to talk, but they're too stupid to understand that that's what's happening. Do you not realize that when someone says something and they say words, the words usually mean something? If you fucking listen to the words and you fucking decode it, sometimes you can understand it. But instead, I guess it's more important for them to act like I did something wrong when I literally just need help. See, they always judge me by the way I sound. If I didn't sound like this, they would listen. And I sound like this because I'm dying, and they all fucking make faces at me. They roll their eyes. They act like I'm doing something wrong. What would you do? You know what you would do? You'd cry like a little bitch, and you wouldn't be able to handle anything I'm doing because you cry like a bitch just hearing about it. I don't feel safe here. I'm not, but I'm not safe at the hospital either because it's an extension of this place. And nobody lets me see my paperwork. The hospital doesn't let me see it either. I know something is coming soon, like I can't even fucking breathe, and they don't care. They would rather argue with me and make me feel like shit. Yes, thank you for making me feel like I'm not a human. Thanks for dehumanizing me. Thanks for making sure that all of my rights are violated. Taking away my fucking ability to feel safe. Taking away my ability to have fucking dignity. Do you think I'll be dying with dignity if I don't even have a chance? They didn't even order my paperwork. Do you think I'll die with dignity when they've been dicking me around saying they're going to help me and then ignoring me? The doctors were both in the building yesterday, and I asked the doctor to do an exam. That would take 5 minutes. I don't matter, Dr. Khan. I'm not even worth 5 minutes to you, Dr. Khan. You're willing to lose your career? Also, I left Dr. Deldar to be with you, and you agreed you'd help me, and then you refused to help me. So if you didn't believe it, then why did you make my other doctor think you were helping me with hospice? Do you think you look pretty stupid by now? And then when I try to explain all this, nobody listens, and they get mad at me because of the way I sound. I fucking hate you. I'm supposed to like you when you fucking talk to me like I've done something wrong? No, you can be likable, but you don't get to fucking disrespect me. And that's the thing. They know that they're disrespecting me. And they think it's okay just because I'm a patient. No, bitch. I pay $1,300 a month to be here, and I get fucking abused. They call the cops on me, but they don't let me see a doctor. How are you not going to let someone see a doctor? And I want to call out Zoe and Martine. Zoe, you fucking pissed me off because you're going to say you're a fucking after a Sunday school teacher? So are you going to tell your stories about Abel? I know that you sit and hang out with him. You've never visited me. You're so Christ-like. You're so Christ-like, right, Zoe? Right, Martine? Fake-ass Christians. So you were praying with me because I'm dying, and now you're going to act like it's not happening? Why? What did Abel say? Yeah, see? You guys listen to gossip. You don't give a fuck who's dying. You're bad people. You're bad people. And you being bad people isn't a reason for me to have to fucking be feeling sad about it. I can't save you from yourself. You're gonna let me die and then you can get in trouble. Stop fucking acting like I did something wrong when I'm begging for help. Fuck you. Leaving me in pain is evil. What am I supposed to do about it? Huh? I know that people are selling drugs, so I'll just go get drugs. That's what they want me to do. Right, Dr. Auerbach? Or you're trying to get me to commit suicide? Yeah, I think Reggie wants me to commit suicide because he ignores every word I say. Right, Reggie Verret? Honestly, I'm not going to do it. I'll die naturally. That's going to make you in more trouble. But I promise, he's the type of man. And then they lie to the police and say shit that's absolutely not true while I'm dying, and I can't do anything about it because I don't have anybody in my family with fucking integrity. Sorry, I have my grandma, but she's busy. But yeah, it's okay to let me die. And they're okay with it, and they fucking justify all the abuse they put me through when I'm suffering. And then they justify helping a man who is abusing me. And they never help me. I've been alone since he left and they didn't help me. Good job, admissions. Her name is Ashley. Make sure she gets in trouble when I'm dead. Make sure to sell shirts that say Ashley for jail, please. I want Salinas Valley post-acute murders. Make shirts like that, please. Make sure shirts that say Reggie Verret is a ghost. If you want a ghost nurse, come to Salinas Valley Post-Acute. If you want to be made fun of when you're dying, go to Salinas Valley Post-Acute. If you want to not get help and die painfully, go to Salinas Valley Post-Acute. However, if you're a gang member, don't worry. They'll protect you. That's where you belong. Oh, and if you're homeless and you're doing drugs, it's okay at Salinas Valley Post-Acute. But if you're helping all the other patients, you're an asshole. Yep. They're punishing me for dying, and then they fucking want to argue with me because of the way my voice sounds when I can barely talk as it is, and when I'm fucking trying to tell them that, they want to argue with me. I know I'm going to die soon. I'm on 5 fucking milligrams of Oxy, and they want to be mad at me for the way I respond to pain. It's not just pain. It's multiple organs failing. And I can't go to the hospital because of my disease, but they don't listen. They don't listen. They don't even have kindness. I get bullied the whole fucking time I'm dying. Why would I want to be here for that? And then the people online are still doing the same shit. You don't think you can you don't want to like adjust your thinking when you get new information? And then when I leave, I bet you they will stop doing anything. I bet the nurse just stopped trying. I need to talk to the doctor. And then if I can't handle sitting there and I can't breathe, then they'll stop doing it. That's the thing. You have to chase them. And even if you chase them, they don't do it. They'll stop if you don't watch. It's so stressful. And no matter what you do, they're not going to help. They'll help make sure you get cigarettes. And that's so offensive to me. They're like, sorry, I can't help you. I need to go help someone get a cigarette. Oh, thanks. Thanks. Not like it's fucking literally like my lungs are killing me, but that's okay. My lungs, my liver, my heart, but it doesn't matter. Let's fucking bully her because she's fucking 42. Yeah, I'll be dying at 42 without a family, and nobody's going to be around because they lied to my family and said I was better. Let me ask a question. Does a fucking x-ray, is an x-ray something that's stronger than a CT scan? Because these dumbasses, and they can't handle it when I tell them they did something wrong. They immediately act like they're being abused. I'm being abused. How do you not recognize it? My voice is too loud that I can't be abused? I'm doing the very best I can, and I am being left to fucking suffer, and they have no idea how hard it is. I am suffering. October 20th, my stomach swelled up because my liver is lumpy. The doctors still haven't talked to me. The doctor left in the middle of our appointment, didn't listen to my lungs, didn't do an exam, and lied and said he'd help me with hospice. And then I looked through the records with some of the nurses here. They haven't uploaded anything. They didn't even look at my pulmonary function test. So I've been sitting here for a year and a half waiting for help with my fucking terminal diseases, and they left them to get worse and did nothing. And no, none of them know anything. And if I try to tell them anything, they interrupt me. And if I sound like this, then they're going to talk shit about me. And everyone has meetings saying shit like, ignore her. Okay, ignore me because the doctors are fucking ignorant? They're all ignorant. They're letting me die. Do you really think that you guys know enough about this? Do you really think that you guys should be gossiping about something that's killing someone? You're clearly not. It's way above your pay grade, bro. Why is the fucking laundry person telling me that I'm not dying? Nobody in here knows that. And Terrence, why would you laugh at me and go, oh, is it Dr. Green that says you're dying? I'm sorry. She's been my doctor for over 15 years. I didn't realize that you were a doctor because I know you're a fucking liar. So I guess you could be a mainstream doctor, just like Auerbach, right, Auerbach? Yeah, Auerbach is refusing to give me pain medication while I'm dying. And he hasn't looked at any of the records. I tell him everything. He says he's going to help me. And he's lying. He's a liar. They said they would apply. They sent my paperwork to 5 different hospice companies, but they didn't order or upload any of my records showing I'm dying. And it's been a year and a half. So here I am. I can't go to the hospital. I'm fucking so sick. I throw up my medicine, so I'm going through withdrawal over and over, which is physical abuse. And I don't know if Chloe's in here, but thank you so much for that letter. If anybody else can write letters to fucking tell them that this is abuse. I need people to help me. I can't do it. I'm running out of air. I need people to tell them. I'm gonna die soon, and I'm so tired of the fact that I fought so long and they're still acting like this. The people who did me wrong are acting like I did them wrong. How can I do you wrong when you're getting paid to take care of me and you're getting mad at me and saying, what do you want me to do? What do you mean? I'm still in pain. You're gonna tell me that I have to stop being in pain because you're trying to help? That doesn't make it. You trying to help doesn't mean anything if you stop. All they ever do is fucking fail, and she thinks that I'm just attacking her just because my voice sounds like this. No, I'm angry that I have to suffer because they won't do their job. And I've been telling these people for so many months, years. I just went 8 years with a lung disease, and it's killing me, 5 years of which have been collapsed. Nobody listens, and they're still not listening. Don't you think symptoms matter, dumbasses? I've never, ever thought a doctor was as dumb as I think these people are, especially Dr. Auerbach. I read his website. It's a joke. Look up Dr. Matthew Joel Auerbach. It's pretty hilarious. He seems to think that he's actually a fucking good doctor. He wrote stuff about communicating with patients. He doesn't even let me talk to him. When I'm on, and then the fucking cops come up to me and they go, did you try to give his address to people? I'm like, no, I asked for his address. I'm trying to find him. You guys don't think it's fucked up that I'm dying and I can't get the doctor to come see me? And when he does, he walks away and doesn't let me talk? Why is it that he walks away when I'm struggling to breathe? I'm so sweaty and there's nothing I can wipe my face off with. I hate this feeling. And I know I'll have to wait for like an hour. It's like everything, like my whole body is like sweaty. And the combination of all these diseases is not helping, and vomiting all the time. And vomiting all the time is fucked up the back of my throat. And this is what I get. This is what I get. They're leaving me for the weekend. And on the weekend, then they go, well, it's the weekend now. Yeah, but you did nothing during the week. My life means nothing to these people. They go around acting like someone who's smarter than them doesn't understand. Yes, I have shown it to multiple doctors. I've shown it to the physical therapist. I've shown it to everybody. When you actually look at the records, you see that I'm dying. And now it's way too close to it. And I'm fucking furious because 2.5 months ago, the prognosis was like 2.5 months. But I guess it doesn't count because it wasn't the doctor here who hasn't looked at anything. And the doctor here, he likes to call people who have never even seen me in person. Yeah, you want to ask people's advice? Oh, and the pain doctor, she came in here, didn't talk to me, ignored the fact that I messaged her like on 4 different emails begging for help because I'm being tortured. Wouldn't let me talk to her. And every single person here is refusing to report this. I need help. I don't get to fucking prepare myself to cross over. I don't get to fucking connect with my friends. I don't get to relax. I can barely laugh. They have stolen life from me. There's no chance at a transplant. Not that I could get one because of the nature of my disease. I have so many different organs that are fucked up. However, when they tried to get the MRI because my lungs and my organs were turning to scar tissue, nobody fucking ordered it. So now all my fucking organs are scar tissue and I don't get pain control because I don't deserve it. I don't deserve care. I never did drugs, but for some reason the drug dealers here get whatever they want. Hey, Dr. Auerbach, how much do they give you? So is that how you make a little extra money on the side? I'm genuinely asking because that's how people operate here. And you have people up front who make fun of patients when they're not around. And sometimes right in front of me. Hi, love bug. Don't you smoke inside here, lady. You're gonna blow your hair up. Got the light on? I can't see it. What is it? I didn't even look yet. What is that? It looks like mummified. Looks like mummified chicken. Yeah, no thank you. What's this? Pudding? What's that over there? Is it scrambled eggs? I ordered that like a year ago and they give it to me every once in a while, but I'll eat it. All right, thank you. I'll take the milk, but I have water, thank you. Thank you. Donka. Do you have anybody in your life that needs Cheerios? Because I have a lot. Just if you have any family members that are homeless or anything, no questions asked. Sorry. I still don't know where the stick is, but... Wait, careful, honey. You're getting it on your pants. Ooh, honey. Ooh. We need to get you a better cup. Yeah, so y'all hear that Jay-Z's pimping Beyonce? I'm just kidding, he just said that on the TV. Well, anyway, I give up, right? I asked the nurse, I'm like, what do you want me to do? I'm like, should I go buy some drugs? Like, the whole time, I haven't done anything illegal. And they just tear me down every day. Like, if I say, please don't do that, I don't have the energy. They argue with me. They don't understand. You are draining me. I don't have much energy left. And if you don't allow me to speak and you talk over me and think that it's going to just be okay, no, because it hurts me physically. Oh, my God, I'm so fucking hot. I need the stick. I don't know where it went. Usually, can we see if it slipped in here? Sometimes it does, It's probably over here, like on the ground somewhere. That's the thing is I'm getting so much worse for like, wait, hold on. I see it. No, that's pens. Fuck, I thought I saw it. It looks like there's lots of fun stuff over there, though. All over the floor. I don't know what to do about it because the bed has gotten so close that we can't even do it. We have to use it. I probably will buy a second one. Oh, fucking shit. I think we might have to just pull it over because I can't see. Sure, if it works. Okay, you got it. Sorry, Hole. Maybe. It could be in the pillows, to be honest. Yeah. I feel like someone's tricking me sometimes because there's not even that many places for it to go. Oh well. Thank you. Am I just an asshole all the time? I actually like a lot of these people, but they've made it so everybody just thinks I'm an asshole. Look, I'm loud. My ears are popping. I don't know what people want from me. They want me to be nicer than they are. And that I like this nurse. Every time I like someone and they just take things wrong, I'm like, you're thinking I'm saying things that I'm not. And I can't defend myself against it. I just don't want to be here anymore. It's been 8 years of my lungs like fucking hurting, and it's been 5 years that they've been officially documented as collapsed. And they haven't ordered the paperwork. I don't know how I'm supposed to want to keep living when they do this kind of shit to me. And they don't even offer me pain control while they're figuring their shit out. And like they make excuses for everything I say. Salinas Valley Post-Acute has stolen my life from me. They waited until I was too sick to even pay attention. Well, they're still not paying attention. They are okay with me dying. They want me to die. I get notes from them, from the administration. I get bullied. And they say they're going to have a party when I'm dead. And they can't wait. And do they really expect me to just sit here and let this happen to me after fucking being in bed for so many years? I've been fighting since 2006. It started with double vision. It actually started with having the shits. I was working in a shelter, and unfortunately these fucking badass fucking, or as my ex used to say, these badass Bebe's kids. I never watched Bebe's Kids, but anyway, the fucking, I need Marina on here. Hold on, I'm gonna message someone.